Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting news about DJI's upcoming drone, the Mavic 4 Pro. Recent leaks have revealed some groundbreaking features that promise to elevate your drone experience to the next level. From a radical new camera design to impressive flight capabilities, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of aerial photography and videography. Stay tuned as we explore what makes this drone so special and why it's generating so much buzz. One of the most exciting aspects of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is its radical new camera design. The drone features a bulb-shaped camera system that is unlike anything we've seen before. This innovative design is expected to provide superior image quality and enhanced functionality, setting the Mavic 4 Pro apart from its predecessors and competitors. With this new camera system, users can look forward to capturing stunning aerial photos and videos with greater clarity and detail. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is packed with enhanced features designed to elevate your drone flying experience. One of the standout additions is the inclusion of a LiDAR sensor, which significantly improves obstacle detection and avoidance. This technology allows for safer and more precise flying, even in challenging environments. Another notable feature is the internal ND filter, which provides better control over exposure, ensuring your shots are perfectly balanced in various lighting conditions. These enhancements make the Mavic 4 Pro a versatile and reliable tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro promises to take your aerial adventures even further with its extended flight time. This new drone model is expected to offer approximately 47 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This impressive capability allows users to capture more footage and explore more areas without worrying about frequent recharging. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a hobbyist, the extended flight time of the Mavic 4 Pro will provide you with the freedom to create and capture stunning aerial content for longer durations. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to be larger than its predecessor. This increase in size suggests that the drone will house more powerful components, contributing to its enhanced performance and capabilities. The larger dimensions may also allow for better stability during flight, providing users with a more reliable and enjoyable flying experience. With these improvements, the Mavic 4 Pro is set to offer even greater functionality for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. One of the most remarkable features of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is its massive storage capacity. The drone comes with an impressive 2 terabytes of internal storage, allowing users to store vast amounts of footage and data. Additionally, the Mavic 4 Pro storage is expandable with microSD cards up to 2 terabytes, providing even more space for your aerial content. This significant increase in storage capacity means you can capture more high-quality videos and photos without worrying about running out of space. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to be released sometime in 2025. While there isn't an official launch date yet, the anticipation is building among drone enthusiasts. This potential release date has generated a lot of excitement, as everyone is eager to see what this revolutionary drone will bring to the market. As we await further information from DJI, the buzz continues to grow. To wrap things up, let's recap what we've discussed. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro leak has revealed some groundbreaking features, including a radical new camera design, enhanced obstacle detection with a LiDAR sensor, an internal ND filter, extended flight time of approximately 47 minutes, increased dimensions, and massive 2 terabytes internal storage expandable with microSD cards. With a rumored release date in 2025, the Mavic 4 Pro is set to revolutionize the drone industry. Stay tuned for more updates, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest drone news and reviews.